Here we have a 1999 Chevy Express handicap wheelchair conversion van, Starcraft conversion. It's got 173,000 original miles. This van was traded into us on a newer van. The customer drove it from Minnesota to Florida to trade it in. The van runs and drives excellent. Air is cold. Does have some cosmetic flaws on the outside. I'll try to point everything out that I can. Again, we took this vehicle in trade. Does run good. Has a Ricon lift with an 800-pound capacity that is working. Interior is nice and clean. Does show some signs of wear and tear for the age, but everything seems to be working and functioning good. The van drives good. There's a little bit of cracked cladding there in the back. There's a few little rust spots around the body, but overall the van's pretty nice and straight, cleans up pretty nicely. The lift is working. It is a Ricon lift, max load 800 pounds. Does work good. Nice wood grain interior, lighting, everything's working. This van's pretty nice. That's a rear folding bed. It does work. Does have an easy lock. This was a very luxurious van back in the day. Still a very nice clean van, very usable, plenty of life left on it. Runs and drives good, starts up. Body shows pretty nicely. Got a few little rust spots here in the fender, but nothing crazy. Overall pretty decent. As you can see, the van is very decent. Cladding in the back has a little breakage. The carpet and seats are in pretty good shape. As you can see, it's not all worn down. Got the folding bed here, so you could use it as a handicap van. It's a very economical van. It's not going to break the bank at all. The price is going to be right on this one. We took it in trade. We will price it to sell. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We are happy to help. Visit us suprememotorsusa.com. Got all your window shades, wood grain, all that nice indirect lighting throughout. Radio's working, air's working. Pretty decent old van. Give us a call at any time, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. If you have any more specific questions, we are happy to help. I'm going to show you how the wheelchair lift works here. It is working good. It has a wire pendant that you use to go up with it. Works really great, actually. We buy and sell a lot of handicap wheelchair conversion vans. This one's in good shape. This was a trade-in. Runs very good. Lift works good. So if you're looking for nice wheelchair lift without breaking the bank, it's a good option for you. It does work. It's a 99 Chevy Express, 173,000 miles. Not perfect, but a good usable van. The interior is pretty nice. Exterior, a few cosmetic flaws. And we're happy to help. 954-561-2499. You can drive this van. Very usable van. Use it for camping, take the family on a trip. It will work. No problem whatsoever. Full power. It's loaded with options. No warning lights on. Engine runs strong. As you can see, it is running. The air is cold. It's on. You can't tell it's cold, but it's cold. Got your radio. Got this beautiful console here with all kinds of documentation, paperwork, maintenance records. The guy kept pretty good care of this thing. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can text us to that number. Show you how this thing drives. It drives good. Here we are, cruising good oil pressure, good temperature. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We are happy to help. Visit us, suprememotorsusa.com. We accept trade-ins. We can ship anywhere in the world. Just let us know how we can help. Thank you.